Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for September 21st, 2011. First we're taking a look at RHT. You can see we're gapping up here into this 43.44 area, 43.50. We're going to look to short this off the open. Look for a new low. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes off the open. Take it short. First profit target is going to be about 43 cents. Second profit target is going to be 86 cents. Some areas to watch would be this 43 area right here, and then 42, and then this 41.70, 41.68 area. That's going to show some support for the trade. So watch this. It could bounce off the open. Just set your alert at the open. See if it'll turn back over and break to a new low of the day, and then take it short at that point. If this opens below 42.60, so right about there, I'll pass on the trade. It's taking too much money out of the trade, not enough profit potential, so I do want it to open up higher, preferably above 43 in this 43 to 43.40, 43.50 area. Next we have ANR gapping down this morning. Last is at 24.06, trying to show some support at 24 here pre-market. Broke through 26 and the previous support levels. We're going to look to take this short. I think there's going to be some more selling in this today. It could give a bounce. It could jump up a little bit. Look for a break to the new low. Take it short on the new low of the day. First profit target is going to be 24 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 48 cents. And then I would trail the stop down into this 23 area, and then see if it breaks 23. Could come down into 22. This will also depend on how we do in the market today. So if we get a lot of selling and a lot of breaking of support levels, then this could come down possibly into the 22 area. And next we're looking at ACI. Again, another breakdown of support levels, gapping down this morning. Going to open around 16.75. You can see this break here of 18 and some previous support levels here that it ran through. Look to take this short on a new low of the day off of the open. You can start with half, see if you get a small bounce to a lower high, and then add your second half and then a push through to a new low. First profit target is going to be about 16 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 32 cents. Some areas to watch are going to be this 16.50 and 16, 15.50 and 15. So these four areas, watch for some support there possibly. And then just trail your stop down. Again, I think that this could give a bounce, but look for it to break back down again. If it doesn't sell off right from the open, I think this is going to be weak today. And if the market is weak, this could help this trend down and make it a really nice trade to the short. Next we have MPWR. Is gapping down this morning, but coming into this level here at 11. This is going to be something that's going to be on either side of this line. So it could bounce off 11 and come back up in this 11.50 area. So you may consider taking this along if it does get a bounce and starts to move up. I think it's a better trade to the short side on a breakdown below 11. So I would say around 10.95, 10.94. Take it short, and then take your profit targets at 10 and 20 cents from your entry, and then trail a stop down into 10.50 and then 10. Now if we do get a pretty good move down into 10, watch 10 for support and a bounce. I do think this could give a tradable bounce off of 10, especially if we get some accelerated price and volume move down into 10. Look for a good bounce, and it could give 2 to 4% off of 10. If we get a bounce, could come up into 10.30 to 10.40, maybe even 10.50. So just something to watch for later in the day. And now we're looking at ORCL, one of the few stocks that are gapping up this morning, trying to break up over this resistance level. The reason I'm interested in this is you see this resistance level, tested it again, and then failed it again yesterday. Now we're gapping up over that move. A little bit of a pullback into support here pre-market from the high around 29.80, but I do think this could be good on the long side, especially if we get some buying in the market. So look to take this long off the open on a new high. Could get a little bit of a pullback. You can add your position if you want and start small. First profit target is going to be about 30 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 60 cents. And again, you're going to want to watch this 30 area right here for resistance. And then trail a stop up possibly into the 30.50 area. And our last trade is WLT, gapping down. Last is at 64.70. Trying to base here pre-market and hold the support here just over 64. We look to take this long off the open. I think this is an exhaustion gap. We're going to look take it on the new high. So wait for the open, see if it moves higher. You could start with half, wait for a pullback, see if it holds the low of the day, and then add your second half. First profit target is going to be about 65 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.30. Watch 70 for resistance. If it breaks through 70, it could possibly move up and fill the gap up into 75. So quite a bit of money in this trade. Be patient with this one. Take your 1%, 2% profit targets, and then try to leave half your trade to move up into 70 and possibly above 70. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.